ROADWAYVE. The average person spends an enormous amount of time behind the wheel, but until now, no device had been invented that could aid communication between drivers. MOD worldwide has decided to change that. ROADWAYVE is a screen located in the rear window of the car that can be used to project small messages. The device is controlled with the help of a mobile app or a special control panel. It's attached to the glass with suction cups, which leave no marks nor damage the surface. The display is narrow enough not to obstruct the driver's view. High pixel density allows text and symbols to be displayed in high quality. They are visible in any weather up to 50 feet away. The viewing angle of the display is 120 degrees. As you can see, this invention improves road users' safety, reduces stress levels, and costs $200. TITA-Temporary Parking Card. This is an elegant and simple way to contact a vehicle owner in case of emergency. TITA is mounted on the dashboard and displays a preset phone number. It's compact and it blends harmoniously into the interior of any car. The number can be hidden in seconds at the touch of a finger. The integrated fluorescent lights ensure the readability of the digits. Thanks to the anti-slip coating, the device is securely fixed in place but doesn't leave marks on the surface. The price is $4. Hammock Hitch Stand. You can transform your vehicle into a comfortable recreation area for about $250. For this money, you get a metal stand that attaches to the hitch and allows you to hang a hammock or 2 chairs. The design is patented and can be assembled or disassembled in minutes by a single person using only a wrench. It's ideal for people who like to travel, as it allows them to rest comfortably away from the cold ground full of insects and other critters. The Lanmodo Car Tent. Saving money on car washing as well as potential body repairs is possible thanks to the next invention on our list. It's a tent designed to protect your car from dirt, UV rays, and also from small objects that may fall from above. Thanks to the suction cup and clamps, installation is done in 30 seconds. Opening and closing is done by remote control and takes 8 seconds. Once assembled, the tent is compact enough to be stored inside the vehicle. The manufacturer has also added safety straps, some of which secure the tent from being blown away by the wind, while others protect it from being stolen. Prices start at $370. Moki Doorstep. Here is a patented and very simple device, which is nevertheless compatible with all cars and facilitates access to the roof rack. It is a metal step that locks into the door latch, both at the front and at the rear. Thanks to the rubber bumper, it doesn't scratch the surface or leave any marks. Weighing 1.8 pounds, the step is capable of supporting 400 pounds of weight. It's priced at $45. ACOOL. Chinese specialists offer an alternative to traditional methods to protect the interior of your vehicle from high temperatures. ACOOL is a ventilation system that's installed in seconds in a few simple steps. It consists of 2 modules, which are placed on the car windows. Their task is to circulate the air in the car. They're powered by the solar panel installed on the dashboard. On a hot day, ACOOL reduces the interior air temperature by 27 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit. This prolongs the life of the car's materials and prevents the emission of harmful substances. Secondly, the system acts as a filter, capable of removing up to 85% of chemical contaminants, viruses, and bacteria from the air. Each model is made to order, so the size and shape can be perfectly adjusted to fit each vehicle. Pricing starts at $100. Auto Cafe. With this $30 device, you will no longer have to worry about your coffee going cold on the road. It is an electric cup holder with a built-in heater. During operation, it monitors the temperature of your drink and turns on when the heat level reaches the preset temperature. Auto Cafe is installed inside the center console cup holder. The unit is safe for disposable cups, as well as porcelain, plastic, and metal mugs. KMMOTORS Coin Box. The following gadget has been designed for people who wish to increase the functionality of their vehicle's center console. Installation is done in a matter of seconds. Just slide the holder into the seat gap. Now you have an additional cup holder, a storage compartment, and a special coin box. If you need the coins, you can empty the storage compartment with a simple movement. It's priced at $28. The Solid Shield. It is no coincidence that the company that created this invention is based in Saudi Arabia. It is here, in a country with large amount of deserts and sands, that it is most useful. It is a special metal plate that attaches to the car's wheel, greatly increasing its traction. As you can see, the car in the video got deeply stuck in the sand, but came out of it with the help of the plate. All that without much effort and in a few minutes. The manufacturer offers plates of various shapes and sizes to fit different vehicles' needs. The price of the kit, which fits in a compact bag, is $200. Maxsa Car Butler. This hanger can be mounted on the driver's or passenger's seat. It ensures that clothes don't get wrinkled during your trip. You can also hang wet and snowy clothes on it so that the seat stays dry. The price is $40. TrekSafe LED Flares. The Australian company TrekSafe offers an alternative to traditional road flares. It's a set of 2 signal sticks stored in a compact protective box. They're mounted in seconds, after which they stand out on the road with their bright color and in the dark with an intense glow. Thanks to their flashing LEDs and reflective surfaces, they are visible at a distance of up to 5,000 feet. And of course, unlike traditional road flares that last 15 minutes, these are reusable and hold their charge for quite some time. The price is about $20. DRIDE ZERO. The Israeli company DRIDE has presented another invention that can take the convenience of car use to a new level. Zero works like a dash cam, but has a number of advantages and remarkable features. It attaches quickly to the glass, back or front. You'll only find one button on the surface of the device. When pressed, the recorded video is sent to the cloud. This makes Zero the world's smallest remote storage dashcam. The dual camera records at 1440 pixels and 30 frames per second, with a 170-degree angle. Cloud storage capacity is unlimited, and you can transfer the video from the cloud to a smartphone or computer. Prices start at $69. DentGoalie. If you've ever parked your car in a busy parking lot, you know the risk of getting a scratch. That's why DentGoalie, an original door guard for your car, was invented. It attaches quickly to the surface without the need for tools. The elastic material absorbs the energy of any impact, and at the same time protects the coating. The price of the 2-piece set ranges from $99 to $189, as the manufacturer offers different lengths. For $44, you can purchase a similar bumper guard. FOBO Tire 2. Thanks to this invention, you will never again be late for an important meeting because of a flat tire. The FOBO tire is a tiny device that monitors tire pressure in real time. It works in conjunction with a mobile app, and in case of damage, sends a notification to the user. This gives the vehicle owner the opportunity to rectify the problem in advance. A single app can store data from devices installed on different vehicles. The price of the kit is $160. IconLife. This is a portable car wash device that can be operated in several ways. It produces a powerful water jet with an adjustable angle from 0 to 40 degrees. IconLife allows you to clean cracks and remove dry dirt with a powerful jet, as well as tidy up the bodywork. The device works with any available water source and can be equipped with a tank for detergent. In addition, the manufacturer offers a variety of brushes, including rotating ones, for even better cleaning on various surfaces. The price is $113. Number 0 2.0. Today's last invention is a magnetic phone holder. which, unlike others, will not drop your precious gadget. Thanks to its tiny display, Number Zero 2.0 can also be used as a decorative element or a toy. Finally, you can add a few drops of essential oil and make the gadget work as an aromatherapy diffuser. In addition, Number Zero 2.0 can be used outside the car as a regular smartphone stand. The price starts at $20. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.